Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Miss Sassy. In today's video we're going to see how to make aloe vera gel at home and also the top 10 uses. So before going into the uses, I'll show you how to make aloe vera gel at home. I've kept this aloe vera like for 10 to 20 minutes in a slanted way so that all the yellow liquid which is there inside the aloe vera leaf comes out, which is not good for your skin. So after doing that, wash the aloe vera leaf completely and I'm going to cut the end part of the aloe vera so that the remaining yellow residue which is there we are going to eliminate, and I'm going to do the same on the other end too. Now that thorns which is spike like thing, I'm going to take that off because it's quite tricky when you extract the leaf and it may hurt you. So remove it completely. Anyhow, they don't have gel with them. Now I'm going to slit open this aloe vera leaf. So this is of the gel which is there inside. Use a spoon to extract the gel, scoop out the gel. You can use knife too, but you should handle it with very much care. It's better you use spoon. So this is the gel we got, and I'm going to transfer them into a mixer jar and I'm going to blend them well. So this is how the gel looks. You filter them or you can directly pour into an airtight container as well. Now I'm going to add 2 vitamin E capsule to this to make this aloe vera gel more effective and to store them for a quite a longer period of time. So you usually get this vitamin oil in the market. So get them in medical shop as well, called as Evian, and our aloe vera gel is ready now. You can store them in the fridge. Now the remaining leaves, after extracting whatever it's there, to that I'm going to add 2 cups of water. I'm going to boil for 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes you boil and strain the water. Even this water is useful. Hey guys, that's how you make aloe vera gel at home, and now let's see what are the uses of it. Number one is it to treat your itchy and dry scalp. In winters we all have this problem of dry and itchy scalp, so you can use this aloe vera gel all over your scalp. Leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes before getting into the shower and wash it afterwards, and you will see that your dry and itchy scalp is better now. And the second use is that you can use it as a hair mask. So if you're not someone who like to use chemical products on your hair, you can use this aloe vera gel as a hair mask. And if you have colored hair, this is very good hair mask for you. You can leave it for 10 to 20 minutes and wash it off. You want to see that your hair is very healthy and shiny. Number 3 is to treat dandruff. Yes, most of us in winters especially, we have dandruff issues, right? So what we have to do is that in that clip I have showed you to that how to use that remaining leaves of aloe vera gel. I have added water to that and boiled the water, right? So that water you have to take after shampooing your hair. Use that water to rinse your hair and leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes and you can wash it off. Do not use any shampoo after that. So this should be done after shampooing your hair. Rinse off your scalp using that water, and if you wish you can also use afterwards rinse off with the plain water as well. And this worked for me. I have tried this personally and it worked for me. I hope this worked for you too. You will definitely see a change in regular use of it. And if you have very less dandruff, you can see the change in the first use itself. It depends on your dandruff level. Number 4, it helps to set your eyebrows in place. You can use this aloe vera gel as a natural hair gel and you can set the eyebrows in place. And number 5, you can use this aloe vera gel as a face pack or a face mask, and you can also mix it with other face pack as well. Number 6 is that you can use this as a primer. So before applying makeup you need to have primer so that it fills, so that the makeup does not get into your pores and will not lead into breakout. So what you have to do is, before applying your makeup, just apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel all over your face. Your makeup base is set so flawless. Number 7 is that you can use this aloe vera gel to treat acne. So I personally have acne in these two regions as well. So these are the aloe vera gel ka ice cube. So your face, use this aloe vera gel all over your face for like, rub it for 5 to 10 minutes, leave it on. When you do this regularly, you will definitely see that your acne marks and your acne will definitely reduce. Number 8 is that you can use this aloe vera gel as a hair serum. I'll show you. So this is the aloe vera gel that we have extracted, right? Not too much, just like how much you take your hair serum, that much you have to take, and just use it all over your hands and just use it as, so this acts like a hair serum as also as a leave-in conditioner. Number 9 is that you can use it to treat your sunburn and irritated skin. If you are under the sun exposure for a longer period of time and you would see that your skin has turned reddish, you would have sunburn, so you just take this aloe vera gel, slather it all over your body and your face wherever it is exposed, and it instantly cools. Consume it for your immune system. Yes guys, so as soon as you wake up early in the morning, if you have aloe vera plant, this is very useful for you guys. So early in the morning, like 5:30 or 6 around, that's the time where this aloe vera is very less bitter, comparatively quite less bitter. That's why I can recommend you this time. Take this aloe vera gel, just take the gel which is inside, not the leaf. So whichever the gel which is there inside the aloe vera, take like half a spoon. Start with half a spoon to 1 spoon. Consume them for a better immune system. This is going to be helpful for you guys, but make sure that you're not allergic to aloe vera gel, because people who are usually allergic to onions and garlics have a tendency to be allergic to aloe vera gel. But please consult your physician before you do this. And whatever the thing I've told you, like applying on your skin and everything, do a patch test before, a day before. Do a patch test, like where you have thin layer, like, or you do a patch test over here on backside of your ear somewhere, so that you see that you're not allergic to this. Usually it treats allergy, but some people are also allergic to this aloe vera gel. So you make sure you're not allergic to it and then use this to get the benefit. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's useful to you guys, and know what to do. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification, and if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and also leave your lovely comments in the comment section below. I love to read them. And thank you so much for watching. Until we meet next time, stay happy and healthy. Bye.